Ah, jeez. This is the Audi A3 2015 model. So I would say up to 2016, 17, 18. It's a range of the B6. So customer complaint is the air vent for the defrost of the windshield, it doesn't work. So when you press this button, it doesn't blow air for the windshield. So I have to pull everything out. Alright, sorry, one of the customers walked in, so I had to pause the video. So the thing is, explain everything. There is 4 servo motors on these cars for climate control. So you got a dual climate control. I disconnect the battery. Sorry for the filming if it's bad, guys. I can do better than that. You got a dual climate control. On the both side you can adjust the temperature, inside temperature. So when you remove the bottom cover here, I'll explain it quick. So we go from there. There's the airbag module there. Behind the airbag module there's the air vent for the legs. So there's a T20 there. You remove that. This comes out from there. After that, first thing you will see, there is a servo motor on the bottom here, which is this one. Sits there. This is for the temperature, so don't change that if the defrost doesn't work. This is just for the temperature. You change from the hot to cold, cold to hot. So the one up there, sorry again, I can do better than that. This one, this is for the defrost, for the windshield. Alright, so if the defrost doesn't work, you need to remove that. So there is another like a vent pipe there. You can just remove it and you can access that one easier. That there. I'll go to the other side. So I had to disconnect the battery because of the airbag. Otherwise I would have started the car, and I'll show you guys one by one. So this side, you got one here. This is for the temperature, climate again, because the dual climate. So if you change that, that's for changing the temperature of the car to the hot and cold. The one up here, there's one module of another servo motor there, not a motor, sorry, that sits there. That one, it's for the blowing the air to your legs. So this button here, and blow into your face. These two buttons controlled by the one that is up there, and the one underneath there, that's for the temperature. So don't mix it up. So that's all. So there's nothing really that hard to get to it. For here you have to remove the glove box. I'll just bring it out a little bit. So I don't know if I got a good light or not. So here you just have to remove the glove box. Glove box got like 1 bolt at the back here, 3 bolt there, 3 bolt underneath, and you need to remove the stereo unit here, which the trick is there's a tag on the side. This tag need to be pushed in. This need to be pushed in. Let me turn on the flash. Jeez. I had a video card out. So as I said, if you look closer, I'll try to film it. If I push this tag with my finger, you will see that thing moving. So just get a pick, move that in. Same thing on the other side as well. Get a pick, move it in, and this pops out. The rest is easy. So good luck with it. It's not that hard. It might take an hour or two But this guide, you know exactly which one you have to replace, so it's not gonna take you more than an hour. But I have to figure which one is which, so I spent about a couple of hours on it, and I figured it out. There was 4 of them there, so yeah, good luck.